Hello there, and welcome to my airspace. I'm here at the Fife Creek Waterfall in Armstrong Redwoods State Natural Reserve. And back there, you can see the little waterfall. It's a beautiful place here. Lots of old growth redwood trees. And look at that. Once upon a time it got burned. So this is going to be a short little video. I'm on a trip, a day trip. And go out there and spend some time in nature. Look at the birds, take the time. Be adventurous in what you do, and give yourself a hug. Give someone else a hug. Perform a random act of kindness. Oh, look at this tree over here. That's all burned up and tipped over. I wonder where it came from. Where's the other half of it? How did it get there? Wow, that's pretty amazing. Oh, I wonder if it fell off that. Anyway, thank you for viewing my channel and for subscribing to my channel, and go out there and make it a wonderful day. Tell someone I love you. I love you. Bye.